Hello and welcome to lesson 31, session 1. We're talking about comparing length and height in these lessons this week. And I'm going to start off with an example using those math cubes that you have. And I've made a tower of yellow and red cubes. I've got 5 red and 5 yellow put together. And I've also made another tower with purple and green. I have 4 purple and 2 green. Now today what we're going to talk about is comparing length. Length means how long something is. So we're going to use the terms longer and shorter. So I'm going to compare these two here, and you can see I have them lined up at the same spot. The yellow and red tower is longer than the purple and green tower, which means that the purple and green tower is shorter than the red and yellow tower. So let's take a look at our activity for today. Okay. On this page, we see 2 shoes. There's a red shoe and a blue shoe, and we're going to compare the length of these shoes. One of them is longer and one of them is shorter. Now, when you look at them, you can see that the red one is much bigger than the blue one. It goes a little bit farther. So we can say that the red shoe is longer than the blue shoe, and the blue shoe is shorter than the red shoe. When you're comparing 2 objects' length, make sure that they are lined up at the same spot. You can see on this page that the red and blue shoe are lined up at the same spot, so we can compare them accurately. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. At the bottom of this page, you see a pencil, a little rainbow pencil. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that is longer than the pencil and a line that is shorter than the pencil. So I'm going to get my little marker here, and I'm going to use red to show a line that is longer. So I'm going to start at the same starting line. You see this little dotted line here where the end of the pencil is. And I'm going to start here and make a line that is longer, which means it's going to go farther than the red pencil. Then I'm going to use my blue to show us a line that is shorter than the pencil. I'm going to start at the same spot, and it's not going to go as far as the pencil because I want it to be shorter. Okay, so I'm going to show that the red line is longer and that the blue line is shorter than the pencil at the bottom. On page 3, we're going to be showing 4 examples of longer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my marker ready. And I'm going to do the same thing I just did. I'm going to use the edge of the box as my line up, so they both start at the same spot. I'm going to show that my red line is longer, that's our keyword, than the blue line. And I'm going to circle the picture that is longer. So my red line is longer than the blue line. I can also draw different things. I can make my red shoe. Let's see if I can draw a shoe here. Here's my red shoe, and I'm going to draw my blue shoe. Remember, they're lined up at the same spot, so we are measuring them accurately. And the red shoe is longer than, oops, let me use a different color. The red shoe is longer than the blue shoe. Okay, I'm going to do another example. I'm going to draw this really pretty bird. We'll see how pretty it is. Okay, here's his wings. And I'm going to show that the blue bird is longer than the purple bird. So I'm going to draw a little baby bird. Make sure that they start at the same spot. Okay, so the one that is longer is the blue bird. Go ahead and show me an example that you can come up with that is longer. Make sure you circle the picture that is longer than the other, just like I did with the line, the shoe, and the bird. So on page 4, what I would like for you to do is to match by drawing a line. Which car is longer? Which car is shorter? Go ahead and draw a line from the cars to the correct word. All right. Good luck today, and I'll see you in session 2.